Hello and welcome to Hustle Culture. We get a lot of questions and a lot of doubts with everyone who's trying to shop online from us, and otherwise because of the common myths in the sneaker resale market. Let's clear it out today. Number one and the most frequent question that we get: भैया आप जो जूते बेचते हो वो क्या नकली है? Nope. Everything that you see online on the website is 100% authentic and pre-verified. We do not ship out any sneaker which is not verified or does not cross the legit check process to our customer. Shop hassle free from Hustle Culture. I love shopping for sneakers, but I cannot pay the amount upfront on the website. Not a problem. We have cash on delivery available, and we also have flexible EMI options available on the website. Have a look and then shop. Do I have to pay custom duties on the order that I place? No, absolutely not. The orders are all shipped locally to you and not internationally. The prices that are mentioned on the website are all inclusive, and that's the total amount that you have to pay. Do sneakers that we buy on the website or we see listed on the website hold any resale value?
Yeah, boy.
Yes, they do. But I would not suggest you to shop for that. Buy your sneakers to wear them, not as an investment. All they do hold resale value, and sneakers do appreciate 20 to 30% depending on one sneaker to another in the resale market. My birthday is on Sunday. If I place an order on Wednesday, will I get them before my birthday? Absolutely not. This is not a Blinkit service. There's a lot of back-end work which goes before the order is shipped out to you, including the legit check process. 7 days to 25 days is the usual delivery timelines and is mentioned on all product pages before you place an order. Kindly have a look before you place an order on the website. Once we order sneakers on the website or place an order for anything else, can we return it or exchange it for a different size? No, we do not have a return or exchange policy. We receive a large volume of orders for us to execute and take returns and exchanges for the same. Kindly have a look at the size guide before you place an order on the website. At Hustle Culture, we prioritize your needs for everything hype. Happy shopping.